Yeah, stay, yeah, I've got a call to the watching a boss coming represent for JAMAICA'S game, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Move. Today we are with this thing, the original Blak Ryno with Breed. Yeah, it's an official music video. The one that on the storybook Riddim. You don't know Russian production. This big up yourself, Russian, and big up all the artists in my voice already and still a voice. I could jump in the one and go see what this thing is saying, man. Let's go, man. Blak Ryno, Breed, storybook Riddim, official music video. Let's go. See it there. One Ryno.
Girl, it evident. Your pussy good and me are the evidence. My cocky want to live in your residence. If you say you're celibate, you're celibate. That pussy are delicate. Me a fuck it everywhere, girl. On your picture, in your own.
It's evident. Your pussy good and it's evident. Your body good and it's evident. One stinger. Alright.
Girl, it evident. Your pussy good and me are the evidence. My cocky want to live in your residence. If you say you're celibate, that pussy are delicate. Me a fuck it everywhere, girl.
Oh my, if you say you're celibate. Nobody can question that. Boom, tight. Like a long time you know fuck for you. Celibate for 5 years. Nothing wrong with that, mama. Again. Glad say Ryno get back a run. It's glad say producer work with the G. Russian, big up yourself. Bad artist. Fuck around and find out. One stinger. Bumbo clot. Ready?
Girl, it evident.
Yeah.
Your pussy good and me are the evidence. My cocky want to live in your residence. If you say you're celibate, that pussy are delicate. Me a fuck it everywhere, girl. On your picture, in your house, by your bed, your furniture. And the outdoors, the poolside was your vision.
Everywhere.
Fly, no permission.
Yo, it's a old school. Yo, it's a old school settings in the dark. Even the TV old school, you know. Which computer, which game console am I play upon?
Was the poolside was your vision. Jaws a fly, no permission. Girl, you are the tightest pussy in the league. Hey, girl, you carry the pussy where me need. And every night.
And they have the tightest pussy in the league, the blood clot. He not the league of good pussy, good pussy, good gal. You have the tightest pussy, you all win everything.
Best pussy in the league. Hey, girl, you carry the pussy where me need. And every night me I fuck you to sleep. And when you tell me go deep, girl, you feel breathe.
9 months living in your belly fat. Up in your hole like crab. Up in your hole like crab. Ready?
Hey, girl, you feel back it up, cock it up, you're acting up. As you give me the pussy, you saw me jack it up.
Yeah.
Every hour you give me and it's not enough. Give me again and again, and make me mash it up.
Every hour you give me a moment that is not enough. Give me and again, mama mash it up. Me live in your belly for 9 months, mama. Me just tell you.
Hour you give me and it's not enough. Give me again and again, and make me mash it up. When you pin the pussy, I saw the cocky broke. Anywhere me see you, girl, me cock it off. Your body
Anywhere.
up. Anywhere me see you, me a fit hug it up and grab it up. Hey, girl, you are the tightest pussy in the league. Hey, girl, you carry the pussy where me need. And every night me a fuck you to sleep. Cause when you tell me go deep, girl, you feel breathe. Hey, girl, you feel breathe. Girl, it evident. Your pussy good and me are the evidence. My cocky want to live in your residence. If you say you're celibate, that pussy are delicate. Me a fuck it everywhere, girl. On your picture, in your house, by your bed, your furniture. And the outdoors, the poolside was your vision. Jaws a fly, no permission.
Yeah, this body of fuck. Wow. Head concussion, big up yourself. Did you get back a run? What a song for forward with a proper video with. Yo, you can see some money spent on a video. Big Russian, big up yourself. Production team, big up on yourself. Rizzy, are you shoot it? Big up yourself. Yo, Ryno, Stinger, we need some more song like them, bro. We need some song and some video, bro. You're too talented for now sing, bro, and make it a reach places. Me know you sing, but yeah, you're outside again, bro. You're outside. Another door you're there. You're there the outside, bro. You're outside. I take fresh breeze. Big up Hall. Big up every girl in the title league. Big up on yourself. First of all, big up on yourself. I love you. Ladies, wanna get a song. Wanna get a song from this thing finally. Wanna get one. This bad. Comment section. Let me know what you think about that one. I love it. Me love it. I love it for the titles, girls. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about it, though. I'll be down in the comment section. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.